Hey everyone, today let's tackle one of the most persistent myths out there, the flat Earth theory. You've probably seen some wild claims floating around online, but I'm here to set the record straight. Is the Earth actually flat? Spoiler alert, it's not. First off, let's take a look at some of the most common arguments from flat earthers. They often say that if the Earth were round, we'd be able to see the curvature from a plane, or that water should spill off the edges, right? Well, not quite. The reason we don't see a noticeable curve from a plane is due to the sheer size of our planet. Imagine a basketball. If you were an ant standing on it, you wouldn't see any curves either. It's the same for us. Our perspective from a plane simply isn't high enough. Now about that water spilling off the edges thing. Gravity, my friends. It's gravity that keeps everything grounded, including water. Gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth, creating a spherical shape. This is why rivers flow, oceans stay put, and we don't float off into space. Now let's dive into some solid evidence. One of the simplest proofs is the horizon. When ships sail away, they don't just shrink into tiny specks, they disappear hull first. This happens because they are moving over the curve of the Earth. If the Earth were flat, ships would just keep getting smaller and smaller, but always remain in view. Another piece of evidence is time zones. Ever wondered why it's daytime in New York while it's nighttime in Tokyo? This happens because the Earth is a sphere rotating on its axis. If the Earth were flat, we'd experience the same time everywhere. And of course, there's space travel. Astronauts have orbited the Earth and taken countless photos showing our planet as a beautiful blue sphere. These images aren't CGI or fake, they are real, tangible evidence. Plus, if you still have doubts, there are thousands of satellites orbiting the Earth, helping us with GPS, weather forecasts, and even the internet you're using right now. Let's not forget about lunar eclipses. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. This shadow is always round, which only makes sense if the Earth is spherical. So, there you have it. The flat Earth theory is just that, a theory. The overwhelming evidence from science and everyday observations points to one undeniable truth. The Earth is a sphere. I hope this clears up any confusion and helps you understand why the flat Earth theory doesn't hold water. Stay curious, ask questions, and always look for evidence. That's how we learn and grow. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.